I've just built a Polymarket AI trading bot that can execute trades for you. And today I'm going to show you from scratch how you can set this up for yourself and start trading with AI. So basically Bullpen, which is one of the most popular Polymarket trading terminals, just came out with the Bullpen CLI, which means that you can trade prediction markets with AI agents or from your terminal. Bullpen CLI is a command line for Polymarket prediction markets. Use it directly or let AI agents like Claude Code or Codex trade, research, and manage your portfolio through natural language. So this is super exciting stuff. If you are into Claude Code and AI, me and my business partner Andrew did recently launch the AI Impact channel where we teach you all about it, as well as our Skool community with a complete Claude Code beginners course that you can check out with starter repos, weekly calls, everything else you need. I'll also be doing more AI trading bot mini courses in there, so I'll link that down below. But we're basically going to be using Claude Code within Visual Studio Code to set this up. So hopefully you are somewhat familiar with VS Code. This is what it looks like. I just created a new folder called Bullpen Bot Video just as a test. I will then just open up Claude Code right here, and I'll also open up the actual terminal on the bottom half. So this is the layout that we're gonna be using, because basically the trading bot, the Bullpen CLI, will be running in your terminal directly, and it won't cost you anything because it runs in your terminal, not via Claude Code, so it doesn't actually spend any Claude credits, but you will basically be using Claude to build a strategy and basically decide how you want to be trading in the terminal. And they have a complete setup guide right here. I will link this down below so you can follow along. But the first thing you need to do for this quick install is copy this command right here, brew install bullpen fi. Now, if you don't have homebrew, the terminal might tell you to basically install that first, because if I now try to just copy paste this in the terminal, it will basically say that brew is not found. What I like to do whenever I run into these issues using this layout is basically just copy paste the error message, just paste that into Claude Code, then I'll just write what's wrong and how do I fix this. Because Claude Code is great for troubleshooting and it will tell you exactly what commands to run to basically install homebrew. So I will just copy paste this command and paste that in the terminal. It'll then ask for my password, just add that, and it will be installing homebrew in my terminal and on my computer. Now that that is done, I'll basically just do the same again, because that's the easiest way to do it. Just copy paste this message and just ask what do I do next. Claude will very simply explain it to you. It then tells me exactly which commands to run, so I will just copy paste that in here and copy paste this second one, and then I can try to do the original command again. And you can now see that that works, so it will now install the Bullpen CLI. Alright, so that's basically it. We should now be set and ready to go. Now what you need to do is actually link your Bullpen account. You obviously need to sign up to Bullpen, set up an account, and deposit a little bit of funds. So you can sign up with the link down below to get 10% less fees on all of your trades. And after you sign up, just go to deposit, add some money to the predictions balance. You can decide if you want to transfer crypto, deposit with card, or connect straight to one of your crypto wallets or crypto exchanges. They make it super easy. Once that's done, just run this Bullpen login command. Just paste that in here, click enter, and it will then tell you exactly how to log in and connect your account. So again, super easy to just use Claude for the troubleshooting, because it basically got stuck just loading this initializing device login. I just copy pasted that, asked how long it should take. Then it told me it's probably stuck, just cancel it and run the command again, which is what I did, and then it worked instantly. So this is what it will look like when it asks you to log in. So you can just use this link right here. Then you will just have to copy your personal login message, open the link. That will then send you over to Bullpen and just paste your code in here. And then just go ahead and log in to your account. Once that's done, it says login successful. You can now return to your terminal. So if we head back, it says login successful, user is Ragnar, so that's obviously correct. And you're pretty much good to go. And now starts the fun part. Now is when you can basically start working on strategies and start actually telling AI to trade. So if I head back to this get started page, you can, for example, run the command bullpen portfolio balance. So if I do that, this is what it then looks like. It's not very pretty, but it's not supposed to be pretty. You're not really going to use this terminal much. These are just the most basic commands to show you how it works, but it now shows you your balances and your different wallets. You can see that my Polymarket address has 45 USD in it. So that's the one we're gonna be using to actually trade. You can then also do things like Bullpen, Polymarket, Discover, or you can buy markets directly in the terminal using a command like this. But that's obviously the most basic part. The thing we're gonna do is actually use Claude Code and AI to build an automated AI trading strategy for us that can just run in the background on my computer all day and scan different markets, enter trades when my certain parameters are hit. So just to show you an example of the most basic thing you can do, I am just going to say I want to make a trading bot setup to run in the terminal where it buys any market that's between 85 cents and 94 cents, meaning 85% likelihood of that certain outcome happening and 94 cents or percent of that happening, that is closing in the next 12 hours. So if it finds any market with the odds between 85 cents and 94 cents that closes in 12 hours or less, it will automatically buy that market. And I will then say make the buy amount $5 and never enter any trades we are already in. Now, to make an actual good strategy, I would obviously talk a lot more back and forth to Claude. I would probably use plan mode for it to go into deep research and figure out what is actually best. But this is just an example for how you can set it up and how it actually works. And then in the Skool, I'll probably go more into depth into how to make an actual, hopefully profitable strategy that you can run for yourself. But if I try to run this in Claude, so there you go, that took a few minutes and it says it's done. Here's what the bot does. It scans every 5 minutes for active markets, filters for yes prices between 85 cents and 94 cents, only buys markets closing within 12 hours, skips any market you already hold a position in, and buys $5 worth of yes shares per trade. And this is how you run it. Now, just to make sure we don't enter too many trades, I will also add one more thing. I will basically just say add a max trade amount per day to 6 trades and don't enter any new trades if we are in more than 10 active positions. All right, there you go. That was pretty quick. It now also added these 2 new limits, max 6 trades per day. It resets at midnight and skips scanning entirely if you're already in 10 plus positions. So that's great. It basically told us that this is how you run it. That's the command. And whenever you want to stop the bot, you just press Ctrl+C. So now that this bot is made, you don't really need to use Claude anymore. It will just be running directly in the background in your terminal with the Bullpen CLI integration. So to just let this run all day, you won't be using any like Claude credits or anything. That is only done when you actually make the strategy and talk to Claude in here. But I can now just run the command in the terminal. And you can see that it now starts the bot and it starts scanning markets. And it says no matching markets found this scan. It says it hasn't done any trades today, but I am in 1 active position. And it will then make the next scan in 5 minutes. And that's basically everything. As long as you keep this window open in the background on your computer, this can run all day, every day in the background, enter trades if it hits your parameters and it fits your strategy, and you don't have to do anything. And as you saw, this was like the most basic strategy you could make. Obviously, what you want to do is go back and forth with AI, think a lot through your own strategy, what you think works best. Maybe you have experience trading for yourself and you can implement that and give that to AI somehow. And if you do start using this, you obviously want to pay attention for what it's doing, because you can always adjust and change the filters and the strategy. You can super easily make a new strategy, and then Claude gives you a new command to run for whenever you want to run that strategy instead of the original one, or you can easily edit or change the strategy you already made just by talking to Claude in here. So it's super easy, super interesting. This was just a test bot, but I do have a proper bot like this with a way more advanced strategy that I have been running for the last few days, and so far it's looking promising. So if you want me to put this to the test and basically do another like full challenge where I, for example, give my AI $500 for 7 days straight using a strategy like this, and basically just let it run for a week and see how much money we end up making or losing, let me know down below in the comments. I did recently do that with a copy trading challenge, so do make sure to check out that video. And if you don't have too much experience with Claude Code but want to learn more, you should definitely join our Skool community. We have, as I said, a full in-depth tutorial on how to get started with Claude Code. We give you a full starter repo with 500 plus AI agents, skills, workflows, etc. We do weekly calls, mini courses on more niche tools tools like the trading bots, etc. And like I said, if you want to make a bot like this, I will leave the link to Bullpen down below so you can get 10% less fees on all of your trades. Now with that said, if you enjoyed the video and want to see more videos just like this, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. If there's anything specific you want to see on the channel, do let me know down below in the comments. You can also follow me on Twitter and join my Telegram down below. Now with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.